Hello, what is up guys? Eman from Peso Smart PH here. Welcome sa panibagong episode. Shout out to all the podcast listeners as well. I appreciate you all. Today, we're gonna talk about Kirther Investment. Based sa previous video ko, I noticed na marami palang supporters or maraming gumagamit itong Kirther Investment and they really defending the company. And yes, they do have a point na yes, kumikita nga sila and they have like proof no na nakapag cash out na sila and kumita na sila dito sa Kirther Investment na ito. But that doesn't necessarily mean or that doesn't make Kirther Investment a legit company. And in my opinion, it's just a matter of time before they pull the rug on this one. And siguro ngayon hindi nila tinatakbo yung pera kasi like they're making a ton of money pa. And they're like rewarding no yung like early quote unquote investors sila by like letting them take the profits, and then syempre may mga bago pa rin pumapasok, and then yung kinikita nila or like yung kumbaga kinikita nila ng mga nauna is galing doon sa mga bagong pumapasok dito sa Kirther Investment. So this is textbook Ponzi scheme. And daming nagsasabi rin sa comments na hindi daw credible yung review ko. Well, I don't really care if you don't believe my review. And sinasabi nila na maraming nagsasabi sa inyo na hindi daw fair yung aking review. Well, this is just my personal opinion and you can take it as it is. And if hindi kayo nag-agree, okay lang yun, no? For me, I just want to prevent people losing their money dahil lang, dito sa mga scam investments na ito and mga scam companies na ito. And isa pa, ang ironic lang, no? Sinasabi nila, meet our awesome and expert team members. So, ano nga bang ibig sabihin ng meet, di ba? If you want to meet a person, like, for example, you're dating, no? You're trying to date someone, and then nakita nyo yung profile nila. Na, yun pala yung itsura niya. And then, sinasabi niya na same age lang kayo. And then, yun pala, niloloko ka lang niya. Like, ano mo yung reaction mo nun? Di ba? Like, for example, you're a straight guy and then you're looking for a partner na straight din, na babae. And then, eventually, iba pala, no? Ibang tao pala. Ini-impersonate lang pala niya, no? Yung taong yun. Yung, kumbaga, parang na-attract ka doon sa taong yun. And then, hindi naman pala siya talaga yun. So, ano ba yung reaction mo? Like, di ba? They're tricking you to like believe something that they're not. And this is the same thing sa Kirther. And then, ang isa pang ironic, no, is like, I think napansin nila yung video natin na ginawa. But I don't know, maybe hindi sa akin yun. Pero nagkaroon na sila ng disclaimer dito sa baba. But before wala to, no? Tingnan natin yung previous video ko. Alright, so ito yung previous video ko, no? So ito yung ilalim. So kita nyo naman, di ba? Ang linis, wala. Baka sabihin nyo, inedit ko pa yan, but yeah, wala talaga yan dito. And you can check the previous video and nag-scroll down ako dito, wala talaga yung disclaimer na yan. And then ngayon, currently, ito na, di ba? Pag nag-scroll down ka, merong disclaimer. The photos used in this page are public shopped pictures to protect the identity and life of our management. Bruh, that doesn't make any sense. Kasi if you're not doing anything illegal or sketchy, or like, if you're not scamming, trying to scam people, you don't have to hide behind this like stock photos. And then yes, yan ngayon inadmit na nila, no? So they're already covering their tracks. So meron ng disclaimer dito. So parang kumbaga ninendigate na nila, no, yung parang proof na sinasabi ko na yes, these are scammers. But again, meron akong additional proof na ipapakita sa inyo to like prove or to make my point stronger that these people behind Kirther Investments are scammers. Ngayon, tingnan natin, no, yung address sila. So, nasa 114 Balmoral Drive sila sa Canada. And then, ito yung building, no? And it looks like a commercial building, no? But I'm not sure. Because this could be like a residential building, no? Like, yes, marami mga nakapark na kotse. Pwedeng like sila yung nagtatrabaho dito. But this doesn't look like a commercial building, in my opinion. And again, opinion ko lang to. You're free to like have your opinion as well if you really believe that this is like their office, and if they're if they're really a multi-million-dollar company and like marami silang investments, no, na ginagawa, and guaranteed yung mga returns ng investments sila, then you're free to believe that. But for me, that is just too good to be true. And sinasabi ko nga again and again na walang guaranteed na returns na kayang ibigay kahit sino pa yan, o kahit si Warren Buffett pa yan, in a single year, in a single month. And like sinasabi nila, every day meron kang guaranteed na return. That is too good to be true. And then, balikan natin itong mga tao nila, no? So, sa previous episode natin about Kirther, diniscuss ko ito, 4 na ito. So, ngayon naman, punta tayo kay Resituto Estoye kasi hindi ko siya napansin dati na ano pala siya, no? He graduated from Lyceum of the Philippines University. So, Pinoy siya, si Restituto Estoye. Pero ito, syempre, fake picture na ito. Itong credentials ni Restituto Estoye, totoo naman yan, no? And software engineer naman talaga siya. But, he is not working for Kirther. And, papakita sa inyo yung proof, no? Na hindi siya involved sa Kirther. So, ngayon, andito tayo sa LinkedIn. And ito, yung tunay na itsura or ito si Restituto Estoye talaga. So, nasa UAE siya. Nasa United Arab Emirates siya. And nagtatrabaho siya sa Sarwa, which is a legit company. Alright? Then yan, makita nyo dyan yung credentials niya. And then kinopya lang yan, no, yung credentials niya nung Kirther. And of course, since I want to dig up like more info, no, about Kirther, minessage ko ngayon si Restituto Estoye. And then sabi ko, ayan, di ba? Hey there, just want to check if you're actually involved with Kirther Investment. And then sinend ko yung kanilang website. Tapos ang weirdo, no, like yung, parang WhatsApp yung yung parang image preview ng website nila. So, for me, that's not a good look as well. And then, of course, sumagot si Resituto. Sabi niya, hey! So, sabi niya, good morning. I am not affiliated with Kirther. Unfortunately, they got our profile galing doon sa kanilang website from my current company, including my colleague Nadine. So, si Nadine Mezher is involved din pala sa Sarwa, but they are both not involved with Kirther Investment. Okay? And then, ayun, sinabi niya, he continued, we reported them to regulators. And I hope no na ma-action na talaga para ma-shutdown itong Kirther Investment na ito. And then, he thanked me. Sabi niya, thank you for doing your due diligence before investing. And then, sinagot ko rin naman siya, no, na I am not really looking to invest since I found like a lot of red flag. But ayun nga, sinabi ko na some Filipinos are still thinking that Kirther is legit. And I hope na yung confirmation ni Restituto is like, will open the eyes of other people, no, who like, kumbaga make money from this scam company. And yes, yun nga, sinasabi ko naman again and again na you can make money, no, from Ponzi schemes like this. But if you do, you're part of the problem. Like even though if it's like an honest mistake, you have to like admit na you got that money. It's sort of like a dirty money, no? Kasi you're profiting off of the losses of other people, which is not good. And again, if you think that that's okay, no? Like yung mentality kasi palagi na sinasabi, hindi, paunahan lang naman yun eh. No. There is a right way of investing and there is a legit way of investing. And yun nga, kasi hindi yun gusto ng mga tao kasi hindi siya mabilis, no? Hindi siya easy money. Kasi in reality naman wala talagang easy money dito sa mundo. But, of course, a lot of people want to take the shortcut and they don't want the grind. They don't really want, like the work, the hard work. So, they find, shortcuts and yung mga pinakamadaling options. And again, ang sa akin lang, ayoko lang, no, na pagka at the end of the day na rug pull na ito and then tumakbo na yung mga tao behind this company. And then yun, ang daming mag-iiyakan na hey, nascam ako nito, bakit ganito, ba't di ko na ma-access yung website nila, hindi ko na ma-access yung account ko. Ang dami ko na kasi nakitang ganun eh. Like paulit-ulit lang. And I just don't want people to like fall for it over and over again. And yun nga. Kasi nga, maraming mga sumusuporta nito kasi yun, sinasabi nila na, paunahan lang. So, yeah, if you're that person, you're part of the problem. And again, sinasabi ko naman sa inyo, no, kapag ka-legit yung company, they don't have to hide behind like some stock photos or like fake photos or like fake, yung ibang tao naman is like tunay, no? Like katulad nga ni Nadine. Ito si Nadine talaga, no? And then si Resituto, which is Pinoy din. And then ito, di ba? Kita nyo, ito yung team nila nung Sarwa. And andito lahat yung tao. Legit sila. And paano ko nasabi na legit? Kasi meron silang mga LinkedIn profiles. Nakalink lahat ng LinkedIn profile nila. Kasi alam nila, no, na to build trust with like potential customers, potential partners, potential like kahit sino, like business partners, di ba? You have to be trustworthy. And if a company hides behind a like fake pictures or like stock photos, how can you trust them to handle your money? Diba? I don't understand it. And I'm pretty sure no na like if some people see this video, they're still gonna be convinced that I'm still making money sa Kirther. It's okay. Okay lang na andito ako ngayon. But you know, kapag narag pull yan, I don't know. Hopefully nakatulog kayo na mahimbing sa gabi kapag you know, you're profiting off the losses of other people. And yun na nga, ito si Nadine Mezher. So kinopy-paste lang nila bale ito. So yan no, pagka kinumpare nyo no, halos kinopy-paste lang nila. May mga binago lang silang words and ibang like mga prepositions. So ayan, pagka kinumpare nyo side to side, halos parehong-pareho lang talaga. So copy-pasta lang. So dito kay Resituto, medyo tinamad na talaga sila. So nag-copy-pasta lang sila dito. So ayan, di ba? Parehong-pareho lang yung second sentence. Yung second and third sentence. Tapos ito, yung nauna kasi, may nakalagay na sarwa dito eh. So they have to like remove that. So sinabi lang na Resi is one of our software engineers. Pero dito, Resi is one of Sarwa's software engineers. So kinopya lang talaga nila. And again, if you think that Kirther is still legit, then you have a problem. And yeah, you're part of the problem. And then ito yung profile ni Nadine Mezher. Yan, siya yung co-founder ng Sarwa. And then yun nga, yung mutual connection namin is si Resituto since sinagot niya yung message ko dito sa LinkedIn. And then isa pa, ito no. So ito, domain lookup lang. So kirtherinvestment.com. Ang sinasabi nila no, registered na yung company and nag-ooperate sila since 2009. So 'di ba, common sense lang kapag like since 2009 sila and yung product naman nila is like ganito, mga investments no. And like online sila nag-ooperate. They have to have a website since 2009, right? But no, yung creation date ng kanilang domain na kirtherinvestment.com is 2020 kinreate. So kakagawa lang no last year August 8. Then na-update siya ngayon 2021 sa July 21. So for me this doesn't make any sense kapag nagsimula ka ng business or like ng ganong company no. Like dapat after that, hindi dapat like tatagal ng isang taon na bago ka magka-website kasi website is really important for a business. And yes, some of you may argue na registered naman sila since 2000. Yes, madali lang mag-register ng business name. And then ito yung pinagkunan na dito naka-register itong domain na ito, yung kirtherinvestment.com sa Namecheap. So same thing lang yung nakalagay, no? Na-create siya nung 2020, August 8, then na-update nung ngayong taon, July 21. So recently lang, couple of days ago lang. And then for comparison lang no, eToro.com sinearch ko rin. So sa domain.com din to, who is lookup lang. So na-update ito 2019 pa. So yun yung last time na in-update ng eToro itong domain na ito. Pero yung creation date is 2004 pa kasi matagal na nag-ooperate yung eToro. And then ito nga, dito nila kinuha no, or dito naka-register sa website na ito, domain the net, yung eToro. So it checks out naman. 2004 pa yung creation date and then 2019 yung last update. Okay guys, let's add more fuel to the fire. And ito nga diba, I want to reiterate na naglagay sila ng disclaimer dito. The photos used in this page are public shop pictures to protect the identity and life of our management. Wala silang kahit anong management. Because I just found out that itong description ng Chief Technology Officer nila kuno na si Mark Frey is just copy-pasta lang din or copy-paste galing dun sa Sarwa. So copy natin ito lahat then punta tayo sa Sarwa. Again, this is Sarwa. Alright? And then kinopy-pasta lang itong description or yung credentials ni Mark Chawan. Again, sabi dito si Mark Frey daw. Pero si Mark Chawan talaga yun. Control F nyo lang and makikita nyo dito. No? And I mean, I know a lot of people will say or like yung mga supporters ng Kirther, oh fake naman yan, blah 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 blah, ine-edit lang yan. Sige, like try it yourself, okay? Copy nyo yan. Punta tayo dito. Control F. Boom. And if you just read it, no, Mark is a new generation executive with 10 years of experience across diverse roles spanning strategy, management, operations, and technology. Same thing lang yung sinabi dito, no? Mark co-founded Sarwa in 2017 and is a new generation executive with 10 years of experience across diverse roles spanning strategy, management, operations, and technology. So same thing, no? Tas pati yung mga funds, di ba? 270 billion plus in AUM. So same thing lang dito. 270 billion plus in AUM. And ito sinasabi nila Mark Frey daw yung pangalan dito. But in reality, it is Mark Chawan. This guy is fake. This one is the real person. Same thing sa kanilang CEO daw kuno na si Saeed Ghaus. So, hindi rin siya tunay na tao kasi yung credentials niya or yung description niya dito is kinopya lang din. So, simula dito, no? Kasi yung Mr. Saeed, malamang hindi naman yan ma-find, no? Dun sa pinagkuhanan nila, sa pinag-copy-paste nila. Like, I don't know kung bakit ganito. Like, if you're gonna do something like this, like, galingan nyo naman. I mean, of course, I'm not promoting like people to conduct this Ponzi schemes, this scam investment schemes. But you know, they're not. I mean, may naloko sila, but it's just so basic yung ginagawa nila. Like, hanap sila random na tao and then paste dito yung credentials. But you know, if you want to make it more believable, like, tanggalin nyo na lang tong itong team, kasi like ito mahuhuli talaga kayo kapag ginagawa nyo to. And then may mga tao na magbubusisi talaga and ginagawa yung research and yung due diligence before like giving their money to you guys. But anyway, sige, search natin, no. So nasa Oakside Investment tayo. Ito legit din to na company. Alright? And then si Andrew Walker. Kay Andrew Walker na credentials ito ginamit. Ayan. Pagka kinapi-paste nyo. Ayan. Diba? Motivating leader, blah, 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 who embodies our firm's culture with nearly 16 years of leadership roles at our firm. Same thing lang. Yung sinabi dito. With nearly 16 years of leadership at our firm. Then binago lang ni Mr. Saeed, syempre. Yung pangalan netong gawa-gawa nilang pangalan. Yung nilagay dito. Pero si Andrew Walker talaga yun. Pagka pinaste mo nga, di ba? Ayan, Control F lang, paste nyo yung kinapin nyo dun sa kung saan may hinahanap nyo. Checks out, di ba? Same lang, copy-paste lang talaga ito. Education, graduate of Leland Stanford Junior University. Same thing. Education, he is a graduate of Leland Stanford University. Whatever. So, talagang peke itong investment firm na ito. And yun nga, again, I want to repeat this. Kapag kumikita ka dito sa Kirther Investment, you are part of a problem. And ito, OSC, so Ontario Securities Commission. So meron na nasa investor warning na sila, no? Itong Kirther Investment and Trading Incorporated. So yun, found at kirtherinvestment.com. They are not registered in Ontario to engage in business of trading in securities. But, hindi naman like talaga nasa product line nila yung like mga securities or stocks. So this is somewhat not that relevant, but it's still like under the radar of the Ontario Securities Commission. Same thing naman sa British Columbia Securities Commission. So, yun nga sinasabi ng Kirther, they claim to be based in Brampton, Ontario, and it claims to be an active investment, securities, and wealth management company. We are aware that Kirther Investment and Trading Incorporated accepts British Columbia residents as clients. Kirther Investment and Trading Incorporated is not registered to trade in or advise on securities or derivatives in British Columbia. We urge BC residents to exercise caution when dealing with firms that are not registered to trade or advise in British Columbia. Again, this is just like more proof, no, na they're not legit and they're not licensed to like do whatever the hell they're doing. Kasi in reality, they're not really doing anything. They're not investing their money. Pinapaikot-ikot lang nila yung pera, and then yung mga kumbaga bagong nag-i-invest sa kanila, quote-unquote, or like mga bagong members sila, doon ang gagaling yung kinikita ng mga lumang members. And as I've said earlier, this is classic or like textbook Ponzi scheme. And after all of this proof na pinakita ko sa inyo and you're still convinced, no, na maganda or like legit na investment yung Kirther Investment, I don't know how to convince you, but I think I will just stop convincing you. Kasi, paniniwalaan natin yung gusto nating paniwalaan. But yung mga bago pa lang dyan na, ini-invite sa Kirther Investment, don't bother. Okay? Don't fall for this scam, for this Ponzi scheme. Run away. Just invest in the stock market, invest in crypto, invest in like bonds or whatever it may be. Just stay away from Kirther Investment and invest in your knowledge and just invest your money, personally. I truly believe that investing on your own money gives you like more control, and it gives you a sense of accountability. And of course, when you see your investment grow, merong ding sense of fulfillment on your end. So yeah, stay away from Kirther Investment. Alright guys, that concludes itong Kirther Investment saga na ito, and I hope na ito lang yung last na gagawin kong video about this one. And again, papakita ko sa inyo itong message ni Resituto para magising na kayo sa katotohanan. End na natin yung episode here guys. Sana may natutunan kayo, and if umabot kayo at the end of this episode, thank you very much. I appreciate you. Help me grow the channel by smashing the like button kasi that really helps with the YouTube algorithm. If you're new, click the subscribe button and ring the notification bell so that you won't miss out on my uploads every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Follow me on my social media platforms at m1psph. I'm on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. And another way to support the channel is through the YouTube membership. Click nyo lang yung link dyan sa description sa baba to know more about it. Thanks again for watching and listening everyone. Stay safe. I'll see you all in the next episode. Always remember, be Peso smart.